my creativity and technical skills to create impactful visual content.
How could you describe yourself in 3 words?
Creative, dedicated, and adaptable.
What is your greatest achievement before?
One of my greatest achievements in graphic design was creating a series of visual identities for a major brand launch.
Why do you want to work for this company?
I want to work here because of the company's strong reputation, innovative project.
What is your salary expectation?
My salary expectation is flexible and open to negotiation based on the role, responsibilities, and industry standards.
Thank you, sir.